guys, welcome on my YouTube channel. Hello guys, welcome on my YouTube channel. Hello guys, welcome on my YouTube channel. Subscribe on my YouTube channel. Guys, I'm telling you, right? So I want to give you... What's up people? How you doing? I'm alright. Thanks for asking. Today, I have something so amazing to share with you, and this is like an exciting news to all Malawians. And yeah, voila. So this is it. So today I just got this news that says Malawians or Malawi is going to be on the list of the partner program, YouTube partner program, and people are going to be able to make money on YouTube and also on Facebook. This is really great. So guys, I've actually decided, because like I'm an existing YouTuber, my YouTube channel has already been eligible for monetization, and I've already like 1 2 3. So I want like to share with you how you can get ahead, to prepare for this thing. I don't know when it's coming because they didn't say when. They just said YouTube partner program is coming to Malawi, or I can say Malawi is going to be in the YouTube partner program. So I want to share with you how you can get ahead, or how you can get prepared for this before it is coming. You get what I'm saying? Because I've already told you I'm an established YouTuber, and I can actually say that I'm one of the most active, if not the only Malawian YouTuber who is actively posting on YouTube on a single day. You get what I'm saying? Because the list are most Malawians, are posting songs, artists, right, are posting songs, but I'm making content like this, like, hello guys, welcome on my YouTube channel. Hello guys, welcome on my YouTube channel. Hello guys, welcome on my YouTube channel. Subscribe on my YouTube channel. Guys, I'm telling you, right? So I want to give you information on how you can get ahead, get prepared for this program when it's launched in Malawi. But anyway, whether it's going to happen or whether it's not going to happen, we are still going to make money, right? So as I'm already doing right now, so I'm actually going to share with you this, and I've actually made also like 1 2 3 4 videos already that explains about these things, because this video is like special for Malawians, right? It's special for Malawians, and I've actually made videos to get you prepared and know what you can do in order to get ahead of everything. Otherwise, guys, let me just explain to you how YouTube works. So in the first place, you can make money from YouTube, and there are actually many ways of making money on YouTube, but I'll mention the most common way of, like, the major way of making money on YouTube. In the first place, you need to be eligible. Like, you need to first grow your fan base, grow your YouTubers, get 1,000 YouTubers. Once you get one, people need to watch your videos for over like 4,000, right? 4,000 hours. So if you have like accumulatively all the people watching your video content, putting them together, they should be 4,000. So if you have 4,000 watch hours plus your 1,000 YouTube subscribers, you're going to be eligible for monetization. That's actually how it works. So if you're a YouTuber and you're still on zero, just keep on growing your numbers, keep on telling people to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please subscribe on my YouTube channel, whatever, right? Okay, fine. So next thing, once you do that, you're going to be eligible, and you're supposed to apply for monetization. So before we go to monetization, like, I want to explain how this money is made on YouTube. So the more people are watching your videos, that's how you're going to be making money. But there's a but in between. So, for example, if YouTube has got a list of countries where they advertise, where they place ads on the video. So what I'm trying to talk about is that if you have noticed, if you're from Malawi, you are watching a YouTube video from start to finish without seeing an advert in it. You get it? And if you are from another country, let's say a country where, like America, USA, whatever, you're going to be seeing ads throughout the video. And if people are going to watch your videos from countries that are not eligible for monetization, like Malawi right now, like Zambia right now, YouTube is not going to count your view, right? It's going to count like somebody has viewed, but it's not to count. Your view has no value, right? But if people from countries that are eligible for monetization watch your videos, their view is going to count, and that count is, I mean, is going to count, and that count has a value. That value will actually make the creator of the video money. You get what I'm saying? So like what are these people saying is that they are coming to Malawi, they're taking Malawi, put it on the list, so that if Malawians, when Malawians are watching the videos, the counts, the views are going to count. The views will have a value. People are going to make money from these counts. You get what I'm saying, right? Fine. Yeah. So this is actually what is happening. So we need to get ahead of these things. When YouTube is in, we are already set. We have our YouTube channels ready. We are eligible for monetization, and everything is in place. You get what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying? 100%, right? Okay. So if you want to like to watch more videos about what I've already said about how to get monetized, how to go about this 1 2 3, because honestly it's kind of complicated, but you can actually follow that. But yeah, if you want to learn how to do these things, just check my videos that I've already made on YouTube, and this is gonna be pretty good that you watch, because it actually like put you ahead of everything. But actually I'm very much excited about this news, because it was really bad due to like high unemployment rates in Malawi. Like there's a space you can make money on YouTube, but it's zero, right? So I think this is gonna create more jobs, like more personal jobs. Like I know that we have a lot of creative content creators in Malawi, and this is gonna like change the whole system. Otherwise, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Just know that whether you're from a country that is eligible or a country that is not eligible, you can still make money online. And even if you're not monetized yet, you can still make money online still, and I'm gonna show you how in my future videos. Otherwise, have a very good day, and thank you for tuning to my video, and like this video, subscribe on my YouTube channel. Peace out. I mean, goodbye. Yeah, goodbye.